ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಓಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಓಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡವನು ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಮೋರ್ ವೋಟ್ ದಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೋಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಯೂತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. Suppose you take 1 lakh vote, if the other man takes 90,000 vote, 1 lakh vote who wins will be the president. 90,000 vote will be the vice president. So all of them, there will be a category. Suppose how many vice presidents is there? 7. For 3% they are improving, but for the president again 7 vice president on different category. Women will be there, OBC will be there, minority will be there, rest will be general category. So 7 of them can become the assembly. So all of them have to work unitedly. There will be competition, there will go membership, they will have to pay membership fees also, officially, online payment they have to do.
ಕೆಲವು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ
ಏನು ಗುಂಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಇವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಇವ್ರ ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಅವ್ರ ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಫೇರಾಗಿ ಗೌಡ ಹೈ ಮೈದಾನ ಹೈ, ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕುದುರೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಟನ್ ಅದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅವ್ನು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ವೋಟಿಂಗು ಸೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಅವನು ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಗೋದೇನೆ ಅವನು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕು, ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕು, ಅವನು ಯಾವ ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ ಬ್ಲಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಅವನ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, he can decide all of that.
Sir, term is becoming questionable.
35 years. 18 to 35 years.
Sir, term is becoming questionable because when it comes to Youth Congress, there are questions by many of your workers saying that many who doesn't belong to that category are still members, and when it comes to Women Congress, the president post is, if I am not wrong, for 3 years, but many are running away beyond that. So is there any pattern that you are choosing that can be considered?
Before he contests an election, he should be below 35 years. Even 1 month before 35, he is eligible. After that, he may be after 37, 38, like see now he can become.
What about women, sir?
Women also, same age.
But many of your president have already crossed that term of 3 years.
Now many of them can't. And who wanted to become a president or the office level should be in this block level or state level or the NS level. No others can contest the election directly. Suppose some other boys who are not a political member of the party, he can't become a president of an management. I can't bring someone from the BJP and make him the president of the party. He may be so strong. First he should become a member. Then after he become involved in an office level, then he can contest an election.
Can any women be given priority, sir, this time?
No, reservation is for women.